पाहूया बातम्या विस्तारानं। पणजी पाटो इथल्या कला आणि सांस्कृतिक खात्याच्या इमारतीजवळच सुरू असलेल्या एका खासगी आस्थापनाच्या बांधकामामुळे इमारतीला धोका निर्माण झालाय। कला आणि संस्कृती खात्याच्या इमारतीजवळ उजव्या बाजूचे खांब आणि लगतची जमीन पूर्णपणे खचली आहे। त्यामुळे सदर बांधकाम त्वरित थांबवण्यात यावं अशी नोटीस महापालिकेने व्यवस्थापनाला बजावली आहे। ही माहिती महापालिकेचे आयुक्त दीपक देसाई यांनी दिली। गेल्या 1.5 महिन्यापासून गोव्याबाहेरील गेरा नावाच्या कंपनीने व्यावसायिक प्रकल्प उभारण्यासाठी सुमारे 15 ते 20 फूट खोल खोदकाम सुरू केल्याने इथल्या कला भवन तसंच सेंट्रल लायब्ररीच्या इमारतीला धोका निर्माण झालाय। तसंच इमारतीच्या भिंतीलाही भेगा पडल्या आहेत। अगोदरच पाटो प्लाझा इथली सारी जमीन चिखलमय असल्याने त्याचा परिणाम म्हणून येथील इमारत खचत असल्याचं निदर्शनास आलं। यापूर्वी वास्तु संग्रहालयाची इमारत एवढी खचली आहे की सध्या डेंजर इमारतीमध्ये तिचा समावेश करण्यात आलाय। त्यामुळे ही इमारत पाडून त्या जागी नवीन इमारत उभारली जाणार आहे। मात्र तुर्तास गेराच्या प्रकल्पामुळे ही इमारत एका बाजूने खचल्याचं दिसून आलंय। त्यामुळे इमारतीला पोहोचणाऱ्या धक्क्याची दखल घेत कला आणि संस्कृती खात्याचे संचालक प्रसाद लोलियेकर यांनी बुधवारी महापालिकेकडे आणि नगर नियोजन खात्याकडे लेखी तक्रार सादर केली। या तक्रारीवर त्वरित कारवाई करत महापालिकेचे आयुक्त दीपक देसाई यांनी शेजारी सुरू असलेलं बांधकाम पुढील आदेश मिळेपर्यंत थांबवण्यात यावं असा आदेश दिलाय।
See, regarding this problem, I have already issued stop order yesterday only. I have asked them to stop all the work, what is going of their building, Gera building, and matter is fixed on 8. Now I have already told them they have to give me a technical report. That is the first. I will cross-check that technical report with the expert whether it is enough. Then what step they are going to take to protect this building, this compound wall, all the property of the government. Second thing, I have told them to file affidavit saying that what they are doing is as per the technical things and it is the correct things. What measures are recommended that they are doing it. Third thing is they will be responsible for anything which is happened to this building or the property of the government, that is art and culture building, and they will bear the cost of repair and put it in the place at the original position. So they will bear the cost. This affidavit they should file before me, and then only I will give the permission. In fact, that will go as the technical. I am not a technical man. To be frank, I am not a technical man. So that is the whole technical. What is the expert say that as per that we have to give. So that right now it is work is stopped. Now, but the question can arise in my and your mind. If this is stopped till the monsoon, then there may be more problem also. That also we have to think, no? That also we have to think. If it remains, then because of the monsoon there may be more problem. So they have to do it fast. So I have told that give me a technical report what they are going to, and we have to cross check with that expert of that, and they have to do the work as per that technical report and to file an affidavit that they are doing as per that, and otherwise they will responsible for all the damages whatever.